What are the high and low risk ideas you have for our viewers?
So I'm expecting that the market mood would remain positive. There has been this tendency that the markets are ebbing off from their days high. So that's the only bit of intraday volatility which probably a short-term trader should probably get accustomed towards. But I think if a short-term trader can digest in this kind of intraday volatility and still maintain the long stance, there are a lot of stocks in the offing. I would suggest a couple of buy calls over here at current levels. The first one is about Agro Tech Foods. The stock, coming back towards a strong support zone. We classically look out for stocks which come back to their mean reversion points where they take support. Retrace some of the gains and then come back to a strong demand zone. I think Agro Tech Foods is coming back into that kind of a territory. Would suggest a buy on the stock at current levels for a target of almost 50 to 60 rupees on the upside. So 900, 920 could be a potential target range, and stop loss could be kept at approximately 825. The second stock which I'm suggesting as a buy is about Aisha Motors. Again, an interesting chart in the making. Auto stocks overall have shown very gradual movement on the upside. So it's not been like the ITs and the pharmas and the metal stocks where these stocks have just about gone through strong returns. But I believe that this gradual move which you're seeing in Eicher Motors from 2,400 just about a couple of weeks back to now above 2,600 levels, I think is a sign that there's a new trend in the making for this stock. So would suggest about Eicher Motors in the anticipation of a bigger breakout at current levels, targets of 2,800, and stop loss could be kept at 2645.
Okay. Ashish, how about you? What are your top bets for the long haul?
Yes, my first idea as far as high risk is concerned is polycap cable. In my view, this stock is still going much cheaper compared to the peer sets like Havells and Crompton. Besides this, in this particular quarter, we are going to see a boom in performance of all FMEG companies. And being a dominant player here, we are going to see even 250 crore kind of profitability, is going to be one of the highest ever profit which can be reported by Polycab in this particular quarter. And besides this, also their wire and FMCG both businesses are doing pretty well. I'm expecting the CAGR of approximately 25% will continue for next 3 years in FMEG and around 15% in wire segment. So this is a blue chip in making in my view, and my target for this stock for next 6 months is 1500 plus only. As far as low risk idea is concerned, I like to go with an auto ancillary company called Jbm Auto. This is a company which is gradually has touched 52-week high, but in my view, it's again a long way to go from here because they are into EV mobility now. So they are having an order book of approximately 700 buses, and out of that, 350 buses are into electrical vehicles buses. Besides this, the tooling business is also has picked up. So, in my view, if I look at the valuation wise, it is still available at 10 price earning multiple from FY23 earnings. And as now they are migrating from auto ancillary to direct bus manufacturing company, so their valuation deserve more premium. So, my 6 month target for this stock will be conservative side 400 rupees.